In this brief video, we will show you how to install the CSS snippet from the Cornell Notes Learning Vault into your personal vault. When you purchase the Cornell Notes Learning Vault, you receive this folder. On the Mac platform, there's a hidden folder. Here, I've opened the folder where the vault is, and I'm going to press Command-Shift-. And you'll notice the hidden folder named .obsidian appears. This is the folder where Obsidian stores all its information about your vault, about how it's configured, its plugins, its themes, and, very important to us, the snippets. As we can see here in the Snippets folder, this is the Cornell Notes Learning Vault primary CSS file, along with other supporting files. There is another way to get to this hidden folder though. Let's open that vault in Obsidian. And then go into Settings, Appearance. Scroll to the very bottom of this appearance screen until you see these two buttons. You're interested in this button. Open Snippets folder. When we click that, it opens that hidden folder for the snippets in the vault. Now with that open, let's go into our personal vault. For demonstration purposes, it's a very simple vault. Let us go into Settings, Appearance. And as we scroll down, we'll see that there are no snippets installed, but we have the same buttons. So let's click on the Open Snippets folder button. As you can see, it's empty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the original folder from the Cornell Notes Learning Vault Snippets folder. Right mouse click, copy, come into my personal vault snippets folder. Right mouse click, paste item. And now my personal vault has the cornell.css file. Let us close these two Finder windows. Coming back to my personal vault, you'll notice the CSS snippet has not shown up here, so I need to click on the Refresh button. Let us toggle it on to activate it. This means that the Cornell Notes CSS file is now installed on my personal vault, and I've toggled it on. By the way, you saw that there were other snippets available, and you can choose to use them. As you read through the Cornell Notes Learning Vault documentation, you'll learn about how those other files might help. Now let's do a quick test just to make sure everything is working. Let's pull up the command palette. Type add property, and here we're going to see the CSS classes property. We're going to select that, and now we're going to say make this a Cornell dash left, and let's type in RQ. So let's go into preview mode. And there we see the Cornell note to the side. And this tells us it's working. So in review, we were able to copy the Cornell Notes cornell.css file into our personal vault, and that activates the Cornell Notes system in our personal vault.